blend of cultural diversity, opportunities, and promise of sustainable development. The name Cameroon is derived from the Portuguese word Camarões, meaning shrimps. Cameroon is situated in Central Africa, bounded on the north by Chad, on the east by the Central African Republic, on the south by Congo, Gabon, and Equatorial Guinea, and on the west by Nigeria. The country covers an area of 475,440 square kilometers with a population of about 28 million inhabitants. It is divided into 10 administrative regions: Far North, North, Adamawa, East, South, Center, West, Northwest, Southwest, and Littoral. In the heart of Yaoundé, the capital of the Central Region, lies the sub-regional office for Central Africa of the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa. ECA's current mandate is to promote economic and social development of its member states. The Commission's special focus in Central Africa in general and in Cameroon in particular is to foster economic diversification and structural transformation for inclusive and sustainable development. The ethnic and linguistic composition. The country has been described as an ethnic crossroad because of its more than 200 ethnic groups divided into 4 cultural zones. The Sawa, Fambeti, the grass fields, and the Sahelian. The country has 2 official languages, English and French. Climatic conditions of Cameroon. In general, the country is hot within the year. A short dry season from July to October, a heavy rainy season from October to November, a long dry season from December to May. The north, however, has a dry season from October to May. The wettest part of the country lies in the western highlands, the Buncha on Mount Cameroon, with a mean annual precipitation of more than 400 inches, an average rarely attained elsewhere in the world. Plant and animal life in Cameroon. Cameroon boasts of a number of parks and reserves. The Waza National Park in the north, which was originally created for protection of elephants, giraffes, and antelopes, both forest and savanna animals including monkeys, baboons, lions, and leopards. Birds that range from white and green pelicans to spotted weavers. To the south lies the Jar Reserve, one of the most protected rainforests in Africa and a reserve renowned for its biodiversity. In the late 1980s, the reserve was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Religion. Religiously speaking, the population of Cameroon is made up of Christians, Muslims, and animists. Cameroon is renowned for its huge mineral resources, with deposits spread out all over its national territory. These include bauxite, gold, limestone, iron, nickel, and magnesium. Cameroon's cobalt deposits are significant enough to make it a major world producer. Petroleum deposits were known to exist in Cameroon as early as the 1950s. Production began in 1977. Cameroon has a number of hydroelectric dams: Songlulu, Lagdo, Lompanga, and Memvele, just to name these few. Education in Cameroon. Educational services have greatly expanded since independence. At the beginning of the 21st century, Cameroon had one of the highest rates of school attendance in Africa. Cameroon has 11 state universities. Apart from the state universities, there are numerous private higher institutions of learning, assuring that no one is left out of the scheme to have a country of well-educated, rounded people. Just on a light note, Cameroon is well known for its football. Agriculture. Cameroon is known as the breadbasket of Central Africa, producing food crops like plantains, cocoyams, yams, just to name a few. Its cash crops include bananas, coffee, and cocoa. Fishing and animal husbandry are also aspects of its agriculture. Politics. Many parties make up its political landscape, emphasizing the fact that its democracy is under construction. Pluralism is a reality with a strong Senate and Parliament to show for it. Developmental perspectives. For its social and economic development, Cameroon adopted in 2009 a long-term development vision which aims to make Cameroon an emerging country, democratic and united in its diversity by 2035. In this light, the Sustainable Development Goals have been raised to a major national cause with the aim of leaving no one behind.